History's class in Castle, Colorado. Thank you guys so much for watching our video.
And the next 2 videos are dedicated to your class, and they're about our adventures in Borneo and seeing wild pygmy elephants and wild orangutans.
All right, honey, this is the big exciting moment for field trip. Tell us what are we doing here? This is pretty big stuff.
Yes, we are leaving with the fleet from where are we?
Sandakan.
Sandakan. We are leaving with the fleet for the Sail Malaysia rally east, and we are heading up the Kinabantangan River, and that's where we're supposed to see some wildlife, like pygmy elephants is the one thing that we're really looking forward to seeing. Hopefully we can find some. Also orangutans might be in the trees around us, and proboscis monkeys are sure to be spotted, and crocodiles maybe. Anyway, this is like the Borneo wildlife, like ultimate adventure, epic wildlife experience. This is like the creme de la creme, supposedly. So we'll keep our fingers crossed. It is wildlife. It's not a zoo, so what we see, we see. What we don't, we don't. But we're hoping that we'll be up the river for 4 days, 4 or 5,
yeah.
And we're hoping to see as many things as we can, get our binoculars out and get a closer look. So we're excited.
All right, then we're off. What's the weather doing right now?
The weather is hot, but we've got wind behind us at 7 knots, and we have current against us at about a knot and a half, and the sky is clear, so we're hoping there won't be too many huge rainstorms when we are in the river, because we don't want logs rushing against our hull and even getting T-boned or whatever. So we'll see. Fingers crossed, but weather looks good so far, and we're excited about this part of our journey. This is the part we've really been looking forward to.
Came along, couldn't look away. Somehow you turned my life completely upside down. And since you've been gone, there's no peace of mind. My foolish heart and healing thought I would be fine.
The Kinabatangan River is the second longest river in Malaysia, measuring at 560 kilometers long. The river borders the jungle, home of many different animals, including the pygmy elephants, orangutan, many species of monkey, birds, and other exotic animals. From here, we'll explore the jungle tributaries by our dinghy and on foot.
As Sarah was just saying, we are underway, heading up to the Kinabatangan, whatever it's called, river, and we're actually in the area now that is more prone for the possibility of piracy / the ISIS-affiliated group out of the Philippines runs in these waters sometimes. So we've got pretty good security so far with ESCOM, which is a conglomeration basically within the Malaysian Navy, the police, Coast Guard, and military of some sort, to provide basically an escort for the fleet. So we've got over on this side, and I'll be able to show you hopefully a bit better, a pretty decent sized Navy vessel who's kind of running cover on the outside. There's a police fast boat that's ahead of us, head of the fleet. We've got another vessel behind us. So it's, I think, decent security given the fact of kind of where we are. Hopefully they'll kick it up a notch or two when we get up to the really bad area, the hot zone. But so far, we've got guys flying spinnakers. Our code zero's up right now. It's been a nice motor, no events, but we hope to keep it that way. But it's really nice to kind of be out here on the move and heading up the river.
ESCOM provides security for our trip around the coast of Sabah, Malaysia. The Malaysian Navy, Maritime Police, and local authorities cooperate to provide security to the waters surrounding the eastern Sabah region. There are numerous patrol boats assigned specifically to our fleet, ensuring our passage is safe as we head up into the river.
How's it going, honey?
Going pretty good so far. It's always nerve-wracking flying this thing, but it's going pretty good. I guess I'm getting a pretty good shot. I'll probably get one of the sight here. Now to about 30 meters.
So everybody's got a job. Mark's in charge of navigating the drone. I am the drone release and catcher. Elizabeth right now is the captain, and Michael is on drone watch, so he has to keep track of where the drone is. Everybody plays an important part.
Oh yeah, baby! Yeah!
We've got a trail of boats behind us and a couple boats in front of us leading the way. Right now the depth of the water is about 6 meters, but it fluctuates based on the bends in the river, and we have to stay on the outside of each bend in order to get the deepest water. When we came in, it was only 2.6 meters depth at the entrance, but now it's deepened out as we've come up. Yes, it's working. I just got told what to do by the director of all things. So, anyway, you can see the line of boats behind us, and so we're all maintaining a constant speed of about 5.5 knots as we fight a little bit of current going up the river. There's a couple boats with very deep drafts that are at the mouth of the river just waiting for a little bit more water to come in. Yeah, but overall it's been a fun transit today. You can see around us there's not much.
Her hair in the wind is more than a heart can stand. Sometimes I wonder what she sees in me, but tell myself to let it be and just lose myself in the warmth of her hand. So I do. You make me feel weightless, weightless, like a satellite floating in outer space. The laws of gravity has been erased, and I'm weightless, weightless.
After everyone gets anchored up the river, we waste little time. We quickly head off in our dinghy to explore some small tributaries, searching the trees for birds and monkeys.
And that the future is nothing but what you made. You make me feel weightless, weightless. You make me feel weightless, weightless, like a satellite floating in outer space. The laws of gravity's been erased, and I'm
So we are up a river, a tributary
of the Kinabatangan River, and we are watching a troop of Proboscis monkeys in the trees. You can hear them. Somebody's having a little tiff. We just saw a big male, but there's lots of juveniles leaping between trees and taking some giant leaps of faith across the branches. And we saw a crocodile. Well, we saw a crocodile on the banks of the river earlier today, and then we've seen bubbles of crocodiles, so we know that they're here lurking. So that's what we're doing. We're on an evening river cruise in our dinghy up in South Sukau. Hornbill. Hornbill. Oh, and there's a hornbill.
Yep. Oh, it's the white hornbill, E.
The white one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that dude. It was pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
Where's your mama? I don't know. My mama left me. Oh.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Where this is pointing.
Okay, yeah.
You can see they're very different leaves. Yeah. Oh, you're back to right idea.
You make me feel weightless, weightless. You make me feel weightless, like a satellite floating.
We've been enjoying our time up this beautiful river, and still we have several days left. On our next trip, we'll get very lucky and spot a pygmy elephant in the wild. More exotic birds fly overhead and sit in the trees, and a moody teenage orangutan gives us trouble.